Hi there! Welcome to Quiz I Know. Are you a bookworm or an art expert? It's time to find out. Today's challenge? Arts and Literature Trivia. Don't forget to comment your score. Who is the author of the Harry Potter book series?
J.K. Rowling. Which famous artist painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci.
What is the literary term for a long poem that tells a story? Epic. Who wrote the tragedy Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. Which instrument does a conductor usually use to lead an orchestra? Baton. What color is associated with Van Gogh's famous painting, The Starry Night? Blue. Which famous detective lives at 221B Baker Street?
Sherlock Holmes.
In music, what do the letters B and G in BGM stand for?
Background music.
Which novel begins with the line, "Call me Ishmael"? The answer is Moby Dick.
What is the name of the famous street artist known for political commentary? The answer is Banksy. Great job! How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit the like button and subscribe to Quiz I Know for more brain-teasing videos. See you in the next one!